Hello, it's Julia Wilmot with HPN Global and JW Meeting Solutions. Can you believe we're only 6 weeks out from IMEX America? For some of you, that may seem like a long time, but for an event planner and director of sourcing, fall is busy season, so 6 weeks can feel like a day. If this is your first time attending IMEX America, or you're returning but were a little overwhelmed the first time you attended, I'm here with some ideas and tips that can hopefully help. I will be sharing a tip of the week for the next 6 weeks as we head into IMEX America in Las Vegas, Nevada. I've been going to IMEX America on and off since 2013 and have attended as a Convention and Visitors Bureau exhibitor, gone as a hosted buyer, and I went on my own so I could take more time on the trade show floor so I wouldn't have to run back-to-back appointments. So today's tip is pretty simple. Plan and prioritize. Did you know that the official IMEX America schedule is already out? It came out last week. The appointment scheduler, however, doesn't come out until September 17th. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't already be planning out your schedule. I like to take this time before the appointments open up to plan out 5 things. First, I go through each day and identify what educational sessions I want to go to and calculate approximately how many CU hours I can get towards renewing my CMP. We have some exceptional keynotes this year and some really exciting breakouts and experiential opportunities, and I don't want to miss out. Second, I go through and identify events and activities I want to check out on the trade show floor, and then review any special invitations I've been sent by my CVB, hotel, and any other industry partners. I don't want to miss out on a fun demo or a cocktail hour. After I laid out a schedule for education and show floor events, I then identify when are the best times to take appointments, so I'm less likely to miss out on the education and entertainment. As a hosted buyer with HPN Global, I also have to account for group appointments and lunches. Now that I know what my schedule will look like each day and what times I want to take appointments, I prioritize the suppliers I need to meet with and who I want to meet with. This year, I also have clients attending, so I will prioritize the suppliers that they need to see so we can see them together, and then leave room for appointments for my other clients' RFPs and future events. Once I have my list, I'll look up where the booths are and where the suppliers are located and make my appointments near each other instead of running back and forth across the trade show floor all day. Although this could help with the step challenge with Caesars Forum this year, I still want to take it a bit easy on my feet. Finally, like any network industry event, I plan for the pre, post, and evening events. After all, HPN Global's motto is relationships matter, and I want to make sure I make time for my friends and industry partners and have time to catch up. I also want to make extra time for any key partners I need to work with on current RFPs. And if you know me, my motto is work hard, play harder. So there you have it. Start planning today and check out next week's tip right here or on our website. And if you want to check out my sample schedule I made for this year, click on the link in the comments. We'll see you in October.